Well, hello, my amazing creative CNC brother or sister. I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and I hope you are having an awesome weekend. It is Saturday, and maybe you're having time with family, or maybe you're creating something on your CNC router. Who knows? Me, it's kind of quiet. Number one, I spent 7 solid days creating a video that was reviewing the long mill. And by the way, if you're brand new to CNC routers, I can guarantee you it is the most deep dive review video on the planet that will not only tell you about the long mill, but it'll educate you on what to look for when you're purchasing a CNC machine and what to stay away from, because there are a lot of machines out there that you don't want to touch, and you need to know what to be looking for so you know not to touch them. That's one of the things I've been working on. So I guess I'm kind of laying low, but it's kind of quiet for me. My grandkids aren't with me, and I don't really have companionship, but I've made a concerted decision, or a decision to make a concerted effort to start dating. Yep, it's time to get out there. I've been a little lonely here. You know, my wife died some time ago, well, quite a long time ago, but spent a long time alone afterwards. So it's time to get back out there, and who knows? Maybe whoever that magical person is will be in videos with me. That's my hope. I would love to have that. Anyway, I want to update you on a couple of things. The first is, make sure you go check that video out on the long mill so you know what you're looking for. The second is, do you remember the discount that I keep talking about, or had been talking about for like the last month and a half, that I've been working on for like the last 2.5 months from a company that has never given a discount before, who never really served this market before, that makes a really cool tool that will expand your CNC creative, what's the word? Ability to a whole new level. It's a company that's got a really, really high quality tool that does something completely different. It's been on the down low because when I introduced this company to you, the home-based CNCer, they didn't really know that we existed. And so when I was trying to get a discount out of them, it was kind of tough at first because they'd never really served this market. They never did discounts before. Their market has always been industry. And because their tool's not only cool, it's high quality, I wanted to get it in your hands. So I pursued them for quite a while and finally got a discount. That's the short story. You'll learn a lot more about this if you sign up to CNC Insiders. What I was able to do was get a discount on this tool. And I got to tell you, the CNC Insiders have jumped all over this. It's actually really cool. I never expected you to be like, say, I can see what I can do with this thing, how much more I can create. I think I cut myself off in the middle of the other story. Anyway, I managed to get this discount. It was down the down low because the company was a little nervous. They said, this is just exclusive to you. We're going to keep it to your IDC Insiders list only until we see how this works out. So you need to get on the CNC Insiders list like now, because there's 1 day left to take advantage of this. And if you already know about this and you haven't gotten yours, you got 1 day left. So if you're a holdout, don't hold out much longer, because I don't know if this is going to happen again. Although a lot of CNCers have jumped on this. I mean, a lot. I am surprised. Okay, so that's the second one. Get on the CNC Insiders list, 9 a.m. tomorrow, July 11th. I am going to put out one email blast. It'll have a diamond in front of it in the subject line. And it's going to say something about CNC discount. 1 day. Of course, when you get that email, you'll have 18 hours left, and that's it. Then it's gone. So that's how much time we got left. That's it. Okay, so one more thing. I have added some more bits to the IDC Woodcraft store. I am so excited. Acrylic is O-flute bits. So that's for cutting, they're for cutting acrylic and aluminum. Now don't start cutting aluminum until I shoot a video that teaches you how to do this, because you can burn out your bit pretty quick or get it all galled up. Aluminum is a funny material to work with. But these are them here. I put them on the store as a set. You got a 1/8 diameter cutter and a 1/4 inch diameter cutter. So yeah, what's the other thing? The feeds and speeds table does not have these on it yet. So what you want to do when you go to the store to get yours, in the description, it tells you all the feeds and speeds. So when you get yours, just start plugging that information into your computer and your tool database, and you'll have it all set up. The feeds and speeds table, I will get that updated in a couple of days. You can get it off the front page of the idcwoodcraft.com website. So yeah, that's maybe 3 things here, right? If you're new to CNC routers and you need a better education, you're really confused as to what to get, go watch the review that I created for the long mill. The link is down below. You'll get a lot of education there. Number 2 is the O-flute bits are available to you. And number 3 is that discount. Now, these things you can get anytime. The discount you can't. So I would say make it a priority just to get on the email list to see what the discount is about. Tomorrow morning, July 11th, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will send out an email blast that's got a red diamond in front of it. It'll lead you to a video that will tell you everything and tell you how to get the discount, what it is, and what the tool does. So, I'm Garrett. I hope you have an awesome week, and I can't wait to shoot another video for you. I've got a couple more on the pike. And if you're a Bob CNC owner, by the way, I've got something. You see there's the gantry right there. I have got that dust problem solved. Yes. Thanks to my engineer friend, Rick. We've been working together for about 2 months to solve this. So there will be a video out very shortly with that. All right, that's it. Get on the CNC Insiders list. Or if you already got the tool, which a whole bunch of you already did, you know, if you want to start doing acrylic, the bits are on the list on the website. The link is down below. Long mill, the link is down below. Like, thumbs up, comment, whatever you want to do. Just have a great weekend. I'm Garrett. I'll talk to you later.